Hello, dear students. Let's begin our session with a brief introduction about science before we go into the topic measurement. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of testable explanations and predictions about the universe. Science has three major branches, which are physics, chemistry, and biology. Today, let's learn about measurement. Measurement is a part of day-to-day life. It is highly important for the accurate study of matter. We make use of certain instruments to measure the required quantity, and our knowledge of measurement to express the results. Based on these, we must know about the fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are also termed as direct quantities. Derived quantities are also termed as indirect quantities. Definition of fundamental quantities: physical quantities that cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are called fundamental quantities. Some physical quantities are length, mass, time, temperature, volume, area, and density, in which length, mass, time, and temperature are known as direct quantities. Volume, area, and density are known as indirect quantities. Let us understand with an example. If the length of a steel rod is 20 centimeters, 20 is the value and centimeter is the unit of measurement. We can express the unit of measurement using the centimeter symbol, that is cm. The units used to express fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Refer to the table that lists out the SI system of the fundamental units. Definition of derived quantities: physical quantities that can be expressed by multiplication or division of fundamental quantities are called derived quantities. Example: area, volume, and density. The units used to express derived quantities are called derived units. Refer the given table that lists out the SI system of derived units. Now let us study in detail about certain derived quantities. Area. Area is the measure of surface occupied by a body. Area gives the amount or extent of a surface. SI unit to express area. Consider the case of a rectangle. Its area given by area is equal to length into breadth. The unit of area is equal to meter into meter. 1 square meter is the area enclosed inside a square of a side 1 meter. There are multiple and sub-multiple units of area that can be put into use according to the situation. Refer to the table below. For regular shaped bodies like circle, triangle, rectangle, and square, we can use the following formulae to calculate area. Few examples of irregular shaped bodies are palm, foot, and leaf. Measurement of volume in the 3D concept. Volume is the actual space occupied by a body. It is the amount of three-dimensional space an object occupies. SI unit to express volume. Consider the volume of a rectangular box given by the formula is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to meter into meter into meter. 1 cubic meter is the volume occupied by a cube of 1 meter side. Using the above concept, we can learn about volume of liquids. The bodies which have no regular shape are known as irregular bodies. The volume of such bodies cannot be found by using any mathematical formula. For this, we use measuring cylinders. The method of volume measurement is known as displacement method. This was discovered by Archimedes. Liquids, as we know, don't have definite shape. They assume the shape and volume of the container in which they are poured into. Units in use for measuring volume are some units used to measure the volume of liquids. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cc is equal to 1000 ml. Vessels used to measure volume of liquids are example measuring jar, pipette and burette. Number 1. Measuring jar. This measures in ml up to a maximum of 1 liter. It has a graduation on it so that the required volume of liquid can be measured. Number 2. Pipette. Pipette is a graduated tube with which liquids can be measured and transported from one container to other. It can measure only a fixed quantity as indicated. It is used as a chemical dropper in laboratories. Number 3. Burettes are long glass tube with a tap or valve at the bottom so that dispensing required amount of liquid can be controlled specifically. Now let us study about measurement of density. Definition. Density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. It is normally said that iron is heavier than wood. It means that the term density is used and it is said that the density of iron is more than that of wood. Thus, heaviness or lightness of any substance is compared by taking the same volume of each. Iron will have more mass if we take a cube of iron and other cube of wood of equal volume. Unit of density. Density is equal to mass divided by volume. Unit for density, that is equal to kilogram divided by meter cube. Activity 1. Evaluate yourself. Thank you.